Welcome to the Hawthorn Handmade embroidery tutorial for backstitch. This is a great stitch for beginners and for doing outlines. First off, you're going to do a simple straight stitch along the line that you are following. Next, bring the needle up a stitch length along and then go back down in the whole of the previous stitch. You're then going to repeat this along the line that you're stitching on, coming up a stitch length along and then going back down in that previous hole. If you're just doing a nice straight line, you can do reasonably long stitches, but if you're going around curves and working with detail, you want to do shorter stitches. Just aim to keep them all about the same length for the whole piece that you are stitching. For more stitch tutorials, subscribe and follow.